Today on Science Fridays with John, we're going to create our own vacuum right here on the table and explore how it works and how to release it. Stay tuned, I'll see you in the lab. Hi everyone, I'm John, the Science Guy, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. I'm so happy you popped by. Don't forget to check out BelieveMeAchieve.com for more of my amazing great creations, science, motivation, and so much more. Definitely check that out. All right, well, I've actually built a little contraption here to demonstrate what a vacuum is. When the atmospheric pressure, okay, is greater than the pressure underneath the dome, this will stay almost like glued shut because of the pressure. When I take this handle and pull this syringe up, it will actually take air out of the dome. When I push the handle down, it will take the path of least resistance and blow it out through this little exit part of the T. So let's do this right now. So my valve is closed. I'm gonna pump the syringe. And I can feel it actually hitting my hand. And as I pump it, I can see that it's getting harder to actually pump, which is giving me a good indication that it's probably working. And it's really hard to pump right now. Okay. Gotta make sure that this is sealed all the way. This is what happened last time. See, oh, it wasn't sealed. There you go. Now it's sealed. It has to be under that lip.
All right.
Now it's sealed. See how it goes down? See how it has to be under that thing? I just noticed that. So we want to pump it about 20 times. Oh, okay.
It's still in the frame, John.
Okay. You want to pump about 20 times. If you don't pump enough with the syringe, there won't be enough, pressure that's pulled out from under the dome so it can create that strong suction. So now I've went ahead and pumped about 20 times. I'm gonna lift this up and let's see what happens. Wait a minute here. Are we in the wrong position? Hold on.
Now you are. Now it's open.
Now I'm open, okay.
That's open. Now that's closed.
Yeah, we weren't in the right position before. That's why.
It was.
Okay. Okay.
Pump it again.
1, 2. Well, it feels really hard to do now. I can hardly, yeah. I'm not even doing it much.
We're good.
Okay. Sometimes he uses them, I know. He probably forgot to. Or the cleaning lady might have unplugged them when she was here. You want to pump it about 20 times, and it's getting really hard to pump, so it should be good now. If I go ahead and try to lift this up by this dome, hey, because of the pressure, when the pressure gets lower inside than the pressure outside, it causes a vacuum. Now, if I take this valve, and I open it, I can take it right off. So why do we do this? Well, vacuums are really important in life because there are vacuums are really important in life because it creates a certain type of controlled environment where you take out something. In our case, we are pulling out, okay, air. And in life, a lot of times we have to pull out things to do stuff. For example, if we want to achieve a goal, maybe we need to pull out negative energy. And so when our negative energy is a lot lower than our positive energy, we actually achieve our goal. I am John, the Science Guy. I thank you so much for popping by my lab today. Be sure to like, love, support the channel, comment below, tag your friends, colleagues, and associates, share this out with everyone you know on social media, and then make that choice to buy my team and I a cup of coffee or perhaps a bowl of fruit or a savory dessert plate. Either way, we'll be grateful with those pennies and dollars you invest into us. We'll put into new hardware, new technology, new equipment, new software, even new facilities to give you the most jaw-dropping motivational content. And I'll see you in another video real soon.